If you want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. So after plucking, that's how the hairline should look. And I also show y'all how it looks before plucking as well, so y'all can see the comparison and also the importance of plucking as well. I use that holding spritz to hold back the hair in a hot comb, obviously, just to control the hair and see what I'm working with. Everyone parts differently when they're getting ready to pluck. I look at where the thickest line of hair starts, and I part directly at that point. I like to, pin the hair back, make sure it's out the way and whatnot. But my plucking method in a nutshell, I really just, I'm not plucking up there. I kind of like try to show y'all real quick. I pluck back. I don't pluck in the area of where you already see the lace, because it just causes more balding. So I make sure I pluck a little bit further because I'm not causing any more balding or anything. After I finish that section, I just keep plucking, and then I get all the way. I keep like parting it more and more and more, all the way so it can flow all the way to the beginning of the hairline and flow all right together. And then I just definitely showed you the plucking method because it's the reason why my lace laid so well. I definitely had to show y'all that. Plucking is not an option. You definitely need to pluck for an install. So I begin doing the install part, and make sure you cut out those ear tabs. I almost forgot, but I didn't show y'all on camera. So yeah, so I tried at first to lay my cap down with freeze spray. And also, I just want to let y'all know too, I'm gonna let y'all know all my mistakes and all that, because I didn't do a wig install for like 2 years before this video. So I definitely want to be upfront and honest with y'all. So I tried the ball cap method with the freeze spray. Girl, it did not work out. Like, it fell off right when I thought everything was good. So I'm going back to what I used to do. I used to use the glue. And I use my handy dandy popsicle sticks, and I start, rubbing it out, taking my time, and laying out all the glue very evenly. I put it thick at first, but y'all see it's gonna smooth out. So I do that all along the hairline, from the ear tabs to literally the top of my forehead. Not only that, I did like a little ghetto braid down, so just ignore my braid down, y'all, okay? So I cut off the excess cap, and I begin to just try on my wig, see what it's looking like, see what the homegirl looking like, And don't look at it right now. I know y'all see my cap right through the lace, but we finna tint the lace and all that, and the cap. And that is very, very important. I use a little buffer makeup brush and buffer everything out. I try to make sure my makeup's not clumped up too. I feel like that was something important. I use my alcohol to wipe off my scalp. Ignore that I'm using a t-shirt, mind y'all business. And so I begin to lay the wig. And yeah, so y'all see like the importance of the foundation. It just lets the lace just naturally lay with your skin tone. I begin just to, lay down the wig with my fingers, and then I also take a comb and press it down further. And that really, 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 really helped me for sure. And then I moved on to the other side and start laying the other side. This was a very important step too, is that elastic band. This really helped it melt to a whole nother level. I straightened my hair as that band is on there. And I actually put my band on a couple times. I just don't show y'all on camera. Ignore I did that, y'all, for real. Like, okay, so I'm combing through the hair, and I start to like use my wax stick and holding spritz. It actually helps me mold the wig to where I need it to be. You don't want your wig, like, don't get me wrong, you want your wig flat, but to a certain extent. Like, you don't want it literally suffocating your face or you'll look weird. So I kind of use my wax stick and holding spritz and hot comb to push back the hair a little bit so you can see the hairline I worked hard on, okay? Let me know when you have halftime or something. I need you to go to the bathroom and get my charger. I wanted y'all to see that scalp action. Look at our lace. Like our lace is everything. And of course, this wig is from my hair company. We are now selling HD lace wigs. This wig particularly, the reason why my part is so low is because this is a 13x4. On my website, I don't even sell these. I sell 13x6, just because that is the most popular. Me personally, I just got the 13x4 just because I don't care to have a long part. And as y'all can see, I'm like focused on doing this middle part. I don't know why, but I had this fear that I'm gonna like really work hard on my middle part and then it'll be in the wrong part. So I like take my time with doing my middle parts. Neither do I pluck them. I do not pluck them. To be honest, y'all, the whole install, just take your time. If you're in a rush, don't even put the wig on, sis. Like, don't even try to glue the wig down. Like, just do a glueless look. If you're trying to glue down your wig and do this by yourself and you're new, make sure you have plenty of hours to take your time, because that's what helped me with my install. And I'm very happy with the results, and I took my time. You be tripping. There's something wrong with you. What's wrong? So now it's time to cut the lace. I use some like really sharp scissors to just cut down the middle. This helps me the most. If you're a beginner, this is the best way to cut your lace. So you just use sharp scissors, you know, get it started, but then take a razor comb, like I think it's an eyebrow razor thing, and you just slide it across the hairline. At first, you'll see me not cut the lace to its full extent, what I'm supposed to do, just because I want to be safe on my side, and I haven't done this in a long time. So I cut off big pieces of the lace at first, and then I go back and then I detail it out, get all the little scraggly pieces of lace so everything can melt seamlessly. And also you can see I'm doing the same thing to the other side as well. Just do whatever is best for you, whatever you're comfortable with. Don't do something you're uncomfortable with, or it's just not going to work out. Yeah, so y'all can see there's some pieces I still need to get, but that's how I started it off, and I just keep going. And thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. This is our 13x6 HD lace wig, silky straight texture. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I hope you guys really like the finished look. Our HD lace melts like a charm. It was so easy to melt this lace. I love it.